Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we doing today? Man, we missed out on some action with Mara today. Let me share my screen with you guys. Man, what it was just so unfortunate. Had a couple meetings today, very early, and I was not able to wasn't able to trade. And the days that I believe I'm not in the market are the days is where this pushes up the most. It's where it pushes up the most, and just crazy to me. Look at this play, guys. If you can see, let me know if you can see this. Went from 2008 to a high of 2137 for a 6% profit. 6% profit in less than like 10, 15 minutes. It's days like this where you start, you wait for days like this. You show up to the market every day, you trade, follow a plan. This would have been 10 minutes. This would have been 50 minutes into my live stream. So I go live at 7:30, and this started pushing up at 8:20. So right when I was probably getting ready to get off of my morning live stream at 7:30, this would have shot up. It's unfortunate, and like I said, it's days like this that make you just want to trade even more, get back into the action, and hope for the best. I dropped the ball today on our morning live stream. I still wanted to make a morning live stream, so that's what I'm doing for everyone now. I do apologize, it's so late, and yeah, let's just do a recap. Right now I'm trying to play off of this. Here, I bought a few shares, thought it was going to push up more, didn't. This is the resistance level. Fear of missing out is a real thing, so be aware of that. Then I tried averaging down a little bit. I sold my position here, bought some here, thinking it was going to go back up. It has been selling off ever since. I bought 30 shares at 20.96. I bought another 12 shares at 20.88, bringing my average down to 20.89. I did sell 40 shares at 21.03, and then I bought in again at 20.88. So only have 13 shares, up about $3. I just feel more comfortable, trading with a small amount of money, and so yeah. How are y'all doing today? Good, I hope. Do apologize. We missed out on a very good run today. Now, knowing me, I probably would have just played this right here, this pullback, and caught maybe a 3% and missed out on all this opportunity here. And so it's not saying, hey, I would have had a perfect day if we would have just did a live stream this morning. No, I probably would have traded this, locked in profits at 3.5%, and then missed out on this huge pull up of 6%. And that's okay to understand. It's going to happen. I'm aware of that. And yeah, it's all about being consistent, showing up to the markets, trying to schedule stuff around the days I go live. Can be fairly complicated, but we try our best, and there's always tomorrow. All right, links are spread around. So yeah, I think I'm just going to get out of this position. I mean, it looks like it may just start going back down. I don't necessarily want to be in a position that's way up. I was at 1982 earlier. Now, there is no change in direction of just yet. It has steadily been going up over time. It may bounce off of this green 200-day MA line or moving average. So we'll wait and see what happens. It doesn't mean it has to, but it's possible that it will. So be aware of that. It is June 20th at 10:51 my time. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and no, maybe not. Let's see. Not playing with a lot here, only about $271. Yeah, we're just gonna sell it and get out. So sold out of all positions right here, as you can see, and we made about $3 today, missing out on almost 50 bucks, 40 to $50 today on this 6% swing trade. 6% of $1,000 investment would be $60, guys. So totally missed out on that. Try to, try to play and get a few dollars, but I just don't want to hold it here. Last live stream yesterday, we actually were in like the 1980 area, I believe, is where our last average was. So even if I would have just held my position overnight, my 40 shares that I had, if I would have just held it overnight, then we could have made even more money. It would have been closer to like $120. Not saying that can't happen here today on the 4-hour. As you can see, it's starting to make its way back up from these lows here and slowly starting to ascend up. So from the support level at 1908 to where it was previously today, that's 11% profit, to where it is now, that's about a 9% profit. So it went from 90 to $100 dollars in profit overnight swing. So hope you guys were able to lock in some profits. I do apologize that the live stream is so late. I was trying to get back home in time to do it a little sooner. I kept contemplating whether or not I should or not. I got on and started trading around 9:44 my time. So I've been trading for almost an hour, and I thought maybe, hey, we could catch a few bucks here, but still continuing to go up, so I could have made a few more dollars instead of selling at 2090. It's now up to 2096, resulting in another maybe $3 or $4. But that's okay. We miss some and we get some. So I've been trading Mara for quite some time. As you can see, we've been trading this almost daily, locking in profits. We're up over, I think, $50 now for the week. My target for this week was $250. Just because we have a high target or a high goal doesn't mean we have to hit it. So yeah, I definitely dropped the ball this morning on going live early. I do apologize. I will be live tomorrow morning at market open to see if we can, catch another play like this. I don't want to hold Mara overnight because it can just go right back down to this $19 level or even $18 level. Doesn't mean it has to, but it can, or it could. And this thing could just keep going up. We could see it go up to as high as $22 or even as high as $23. As you can see here, there is a resistance line at 2305. So that would be a clear resistance. We're going to clean up some of these support levels here because now they are irrelevant. I like to just slowly increase my support levels as they go up. Huge support and resistance area, as you can see. And now we had this support level and resistance level here even yesterday, and I believe the day before we had these drawn up. So, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to, but they do tend to repeat themselves. Now, as you can see here, it actually bounced off of a previous support. Do you see that support right there? At about 2064 here, and then here, right? Indicating a good support for intraday. Now it's bouncing, now it's reversing or sign a reversal off of the 200-day moving average. So it is possible that this goes down. Now the EMA did cross over the green line early this morning at market open, which gave a good indication of upward momentum. And now it's going to sell off. So yeah, we just got to do better by just showing up, consistently every day, because it's like the one day that you miss is the 1 day with amazing opportunity, 6% profit. Now, one other company I want to talk about is Occujin. We've been watching this company for quite some time. As you can see, it pulled up over 87% in 5 days on this first support resistance level. It then pulled back down to this $1.11 and pulled all the way back up to 87% profit in 21 days. Now it's slowly making its descent down, and we are looking to lock in anywhere from 80 to 85% profit when this starts showing signs of upward momentum. So I'm very happy with the progress that this is making, or the degress, I guess, that this is making. Because as you can see, it's consistently going up and pulling back, right? It's going up, pull back, go up, pull back. So if this can pull back down into like that 111, even 120 level, I would be comfortable buying some shares with this company. So excited to see what happens as time goes on. I may swing trade this. 80% profit on $1,000 would be $800. So you invest $1,000 here, you pull out $1,800 up here. So very excited to see what happens with Occujin, or ticker symbol OCGN. And yeah, there's more to come, guys. We have a lot of other videos that I want to put out there. There's more content. We're going to be going over how to start investing with $100. 3 focuses that you should know before trading. And also 8 questions with a day trader are all going to be videos coming out very soon. And then account size versus your profit margin. Obviously, the more money you have, the more profit you can make, and vice versa. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button so you don't miss out when I do go live tomorrow morning. And yeah, we don't always trade Carvana. Well, we've been trading Carvana for quite a bit recently, actually. Or not Carvana, Mara. I've been trading Mara for quite some time now, so now I'm getting into more like scalping, I guess. That's what I tried to do today. I had 1, 2, 3 day trades today, so with a cash account, you're not restricted by the PDT rule like you are on a margin account, where they only give you 3-day trades a week or in a 5-day period. Whereas instead, I can have smaller positions, and I can buy and then sell, and then buy and then sell. So there's 20 shares, there's 30 shares right there, and then I sold 30 shares, right? So that's over $600 on that trade. And then I bought another 200, bought another 600, and then sold 800 shares right there. And then I bought only 12 there to kind of test the waters, and then sold all positions here. So that's 3 total day trades. And Katie put, okay, I'm gonna like right now. Okay, thank you, Katie. Good job. Now this thing is pulling back, and we are going to see signs of possible reversal once it gets down to these lower levels, possibly tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned, and we will see you all in tomorrow's live stream. Thanks for watching.